Welcome. If you've ever accidentally reacted to a message in one of your Telegram groups, or just changed your mind about an emoji, removing it takes only a few seconds with the new update on PC. Let's start by opening the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to browse your chats. From the main screen, look at the list of your conversations and select the group where you want to remove a reaction. Once you enter the group, scroll through the chat until you spot the message with your reaction. All message reactions appear just beneath the text or media, so they're easy to spot. Now, when you find the specific message, it's time to remove that unwanted react. Hover your mouse over the react emoji you added beneath the message. All you need to do is click directly on the emoji. You don't need to open any extra menus or search for a hidden remove option. With one simple click, your reaction disappears instantly, restoring the message to its original state. If you had second thoughts or just want to tidy up the chat, this process is fast and effortless. It doesn't matter whether the message is text, photo, or video. Removing your react is just as easy every time. This small feature helps keep group conversations clean and focused, letting you change your mind without hassle. So, to review, open Telegram, go to your group, find the message, and click on the react. That's all it takes. Feel free to use this tip whenever you need to quickly manage your reactions and keep your chats organized.